Hey there, science fans! Have you heard about ChatGPT? It's one of the coolest things happening in the world of computers right now. Basically, ChatGPT is a super smart computer program that can talk and write just like us humans. It's like having a robot friend who loves to chat and answer your questions, but how does it work? It all comes down to something called artificial intelligence, or AI for short. AI is all about teaching computers to think and learn like we do. And ChatGPT is one of the most impressive examples of AI we've seen yet. It can hold conversations, write stories, answer your questions, and so much more. It's still learning and growing, but ChatGPT is already changing the way we interact with computers. And the best part? It's only going to get smarter and more helpful from here on out. So buckle up, because we're about to take a fascinating journey into the world of AI and explore the magic behind ChatGPT. Now you might be wondering, how can a computer understand what we're saying? After all, computers usually talk in ones and zeros, right? That's where natural language processing, or NLP for short, comes in. NLP is like teaching computers to understand our human language. Think about it like this. Imagine you're trying to teach a dog a new trick. You wouldn't just bark at the dog and expect it to understand, right? You'd use words and gestures that the dog already knows, like sit or stay, and then reward the dog when it does the right thing. That's kind of what NLP is like. We feed computers tons and tons of text and code, teaching them the rules of grammar, the meanings of words, and how words fit together to form sentences and paragraphs. Over time, computers get really good at understanding and even using our language, just like ChatGPT. But how does ChatGPT actually learn? The secret sauce is something called machine learning. It's a fancy way of saying that we let computers learn from experience just like humans do. Think about how a child learns. They observe, they try things out, and they learn from their mistakes. Imagine teaching a child about different animals. You might show them pictures of cats and dogs, pointing out their unique features. The child starts to recognize patterns: furry bodies, 4 legs, tails. Then, you show them a picture of a horse. They might initially think it's a big dog, but you correct them gently. With each new example, the child refines their understanding, learning to differentiate between different types of animals. Machine learning works in a similar way. We feed ChatGPT massive amounts of data, books, articles, conversations, and it learns to identify patterns and relationships within that data. The more data it processes, the better it becomes at understanding and using language. So, we've talked about language and learning, but what's actually going on inside ChatGPT's brain? Well, imagine a giant box filled with Lego blocks, each block representing a word or a piece of information. This box represents ChatGPT's special architecture called a GPT model. Now imagine you're playing a game where you have to build sentences by connecting these Lego blocks in the right order. That's kind of what ChatGPT does, but on a much larger and more complex scale. It takes your questions or requests as input and then uses its vast knowledge base to assemble words into coherent and grammatically correct responses. It's like having a super fast builder inside the computer, constantly putting together words and phrases to create meaningful sentences. And just like a skilled builder can create amazing structures, ChatGPT can generate creative text formats like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, and so on. It's all about connecting the right words in the right way, and ChatGPT has become a master builder of language. Let's say you ask ChatGPT, what's the capital of France? First, ChatGPT breaks down your question into individual words and analyzes their meaning. It recognizes that you're asking for a specific piece of information, a capital city. Then it searches its vast database, which includes information about countries and their capitals. Once it finds the relevant information, ChatGPT doesn't just spit out a dry answer like a traditional search engine. Instead, it uses its language skills to craft a complete sentence just like a human would. So you might get a response like, the capital of France is Paris, or even something more conversational like, you want to know about the City of Lights. That would be Paris, the capital of France. It's like having a conversation with a knowledgeable friend who can provide you with accurate information in a natural and engaging way. And the more you interact with ChatGPT, the better it gets at understanding your questions and tailoring its responses to your specific needs. So what can ChatGPT actually do? Well, a lot. As its name suggests, ChatGPT is a whiz at conversations. You can chat with it about almost anything. Your day, your favorite books, the latest scientific discoveries. It can even remember previous parts of the conversation and respond accordingly, making it feel like you're talking to a real person. But ChatGPT is more than just a chatbot. It's also a fantastic question-answering tool. Have a burning question about history, science, or even pop culture? Ask ChatGPT. It can access and process information from a massive dataset, providing you with accurate and comprehensive answers. And that's not all. ChatGPT can also help you with creative tasks. Need help writing a poem, a song, or even a code? ChatGPT can assist you with generating ideas, suggesting rhymes, and even writing different kinds of creative content. It's like having a brainstorming partner who's always full of ideas. Now it's important to remember that ChatGPT isn't perfect. After all, it's still learning. Sometimes it might misunderstand your question or provide an answer that's not entirely accurate. It's like asking a young child for directions. They might have the best intentions, but they might not always get it right. Remember, ChatGPT learns from the data it's been trained on. If the data contains biases or inaccuracies, ChatGPT might reflect those biases in its responses. It's like teaching a parrot to say a phrase. The parrot doesn't understand the meaning, it's just repeating what it's been taught. That's why it's important to be critical of the information ChatGPT provides, and double-check it with other sources. And if you notice any biases or inaccuracies, you can always provide feedback to help ChatGPT learn and improve. Remember, AI is a work in progress, and we all have a role to play in making it better. So there you have it, an inside look at the magic behind ChatGPT. It's amazing to think that we've created machines that can understand and use language in such sophisticated ways. While AI is still evolving, it's already changing the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. ChatGPT is just one example of the incredible things AI can do. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI has the potential to revolutionize countless industries and improve our lives in countless ways. And the best part, this is just the beginning. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more exciting and transformative applications in the years to come. So, embrace the future of AI with open arms and get ready for a world where technology empowers us to achieve amazing things. Remember, the future is friendly, and AI is here to help us build a brighter tomorrow.